Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Moto G56 and let me share with you how to show and how to actually check the total screen time on this device. So I'll show you how to check the total screen time, but also how to set different timers to limit the screen time. So let's begin with opening the settings. And here in this general list, we have to scroll down to find Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. Let's tap on it. So here we've got the graph, which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. In my case, it is 24 minutes, and most of the time I've spent on the settings, then the camera, Moto Secure, etc. So to check some further details, you've got two different ways. You can either tap inside this graph and you will be transferred to the dashboard where you can compare the specific days between each other. You can change the screen time to notifications received and times opened, and under it you've got the list of apps which you've been using with specific time you've spent on them. And the second way is to tap directly on the app, because as you can see, this graph is divided between the settings, camera, etc. So just tap on this specific app, in my case for example settings, and again we've got the dashboard, but this time it is tightly connected with this one app. What is more, we can also, as I said at the very beginning, we can also limit the time we are spending on the screen, especially nowadays. It's really useful. We've got ways to disconnect right here. We've got 4 different options. So we've got screen time reminders, focus mode, bedtime mode, and app limits. I will not explain all of them, but I will focus on, for example, app limit and focus mode. So the app limit is a really nice option, because if you decide that you're spending too much time on one app, for example, we've got this Block Blast, so it's a game. So let's pretend I'm spending too much time on it. We have to simply tap on this hourglass icon, and now we can set the app limit, which means that, for example, if I will set it for 30 minutes, it means that I can use this app only for 30 minutes during the whole day. Of course, you can change it to 1 hour, 2 hours, or even 0 hours and 0 minutes. And after tapping on OK, you can see that the Block Blast is blocked, basically. And if I would like to try to open it using the app drawer, it will be turned off. And we've got this information that the app is paused, and it will start again tomorrow because it resets in the midnight. So this is how the app limits option works, and I think it could be really useful. And I told that I will discuss the focus mode. So let's enter the focus mode, and this mode is really useful, for example, during your work, because we can select distracting apps, so those apps from which we are receiving the most notifications, for example, some kind of social media or your mail or whatever distracts you the most. So let me choose, maybe let's pretend that it is the camera and Moto Secure and the Chrome. And after marking the distracting apps, we can set a schedule. So we can choose specific days of the week, we can choose the start and the end time. So let's pretend I want only those days to be applied, and then tap on set. And your device will basically apply the focus mode according to the schedule, and during that time it will basically hide the notifications from those distracting apps, which is really useful, I suppose. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.